Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel. Today we're going to be talking to you about Stainless Diesel's line of drop-in turbos. Stainless Diesel, one of their most popular categories they have is the drop-in turbos that they offer. Now, they do these for several different light-duty diesel platforms, and in each one of the drop-in turbo offerings that they have different sizings for that turbo. So they have, like this turbo, for instance, this is an HE351 Charger, so this will work on the 2003 to 2007 Dodges. But they offer this in several different sizes, depending on whether you're doing a bunch of towing or you're trying to make all-out horsepower, all in a drop-in configuration that is going to work and have the same fit and function, well, the same fit as what the stock OE Charger does. So this Charger in particular, again, HE351, this has got Stainless Diesel's exclusive 5-blade Mafia compressor wheel, and I don't even know what the gang side is for 5-blade Mafia, but I'm pretty sure there is one. I'll be cool one day and I'll get one. The turbine wheel on this is a 10-blade setup, all high flow, but this Charger working on the 03 to 07 trucks, if you've got a 03, 04, 305 horsepower or the 250 horsepower, you just plug the electronic wastegate actuator port off. Comes with the plug in the kit. If you have the 04.5 to 07, the electronic actuator will screw right back into here. Comes with new hose for air to the wastegate itself and new mounting studs for mounting it to the manifold itself. So they've done a lot of research of what it's going to take to be successful inside the drop-in turbo market. Just about all of our turbo manufacturers that we carry here at Thoroughbred Diesel are in the drop-in market. Stainless Diesel has made sure that they're in the drop-in market, but they're offering several different sizes to be able to give you several different functions of what you can do with the truck, with what you're trying to stay with. If you're going to stay in a drop-in configuration, Stainless Diesel has got you covered in the correct turbo sizing for what you're going to be doing with the truck. So if you have a question about Stainless Diesel turbos or any of the other Stainless Diesel products, just give us a call, and thanks for watching.